Alright, so it's the next morning. Went ahead and put everything back together. I cleaned it up really good. Spent quite a bit of time just cleaning it up. Probably wasn't necessary, but I went ahead and did that. Put everything all back together. Um, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, oh well, I have to get a new one. But I went ahead and reflowed a lot of the solder points, resoldered what was broken. It looked really good when I started putting it all back together. I really looked it over. So one of two things are going to happen here. Either it's going to work or it won't work. I have yet to replace the blower motor itself. I just wanted to make sure that this was going to work. And then I'm going to go ahead and replace the blower motor. It is a good idea if you are doing this to replace the blower motor itself. There's always a possibility that the resistor actually got too hot, just had problems because the motor itself was very hard to turn. It puts a lot of strain on the resistor. So if you have a resistor go out, it's a good idea to replace the blower motor at the same time. You're down there. The blower motor itself is about half the price of the resistor or control module. And so it'll be a just good idea. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and pop a fuse in. And if the fuse goes right away, then I'll know it didn't work. If it stays, then there's a good chance that everything worked. Okay, so the fuse is in. It's working. And as you can see, this is a good sign. Previously, the fan would be on full. The car is not on right now. And as you can see here, nothing. That's the way it should be when the car's off. So I'm going to go ahead and see what happens. It's off right now. Car is on. Let's find out what happens. I'm going to go ahead and start it. But let's go ahead and see what happens. Oh yeah. That is a working heater. Full blast. Half. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Off. That's awesome. On. Full blast. So, it is fixed. At least the resistor is fixed. Now I need to get up underneath there and replace the blower motor. But that shouldn't be too bad. That's easier to get to actually than the resistor itself. So, pretty excited. Saved myself about $100. I was looking at different prices. Worst case scenario, I'd have to order one from California for about $60. It'd probably take about a week to get here. So, still, save myself, some cash. That's not bad at all. I'm really glad that I ended up doing it like this. So, yeah, awesome. Alrighty, well, if anybody has any questions on how to do this, I am not a pro mechanic in any way. I'm obviously not responsible if you electrocute yourself, blow your car up, catch it on fire, whatever. This is just something that I attempted. It may fail even still, so if you're not experienced with circuit boards, electronics, soldering, anything else like that, or you just don't have a clue, it's better just to get it replaced. I was fortunate in my situation where I was able to repair it myself. But it's just like anything else. If you're too stupid to change your tire and you blow yourself up, then well, that's your own problem. So, alrighty. Well, hopefully that helps.